So what is a red flag law? Understanding extreme risk protection orders. They're starting to become a lot more common in a lot of different states. These laws can actually lead to your guns being taken, even if you haven't been charged with a crime. So what are they? What do you need to know about them? How can you protect yourself? So, red flag law. These are also known as extreme risk protection orders. And as that implies, what we're asking is, are you or is the person who the guns are trying to be taken from an extreme risk? So what is the purpose? Well, the purpose is to temporarily remove firearms from individuals that we deem to be dangerous either to themselves or to others. So these are civil orders. They're not criminal. So while the state of Indiana is the one that would be filing the petition, this is not a criminal charge. It's not a criminal conviction. It is a civil order. These laws are starting to become a lot more common. They're in a lot of states. They're in the District of Columbia. Indiana is actually, I think, one of the first to enact red flag laws. And we did it in what our version is known as the Jake Laird law. Jake Laird was an officer who ended up being killed because someone had access to firearms that shouldn't have had access to them. So how is this initiated? Well, it's initiated by the filing of a petition. That petition is, again, it's filed by the state of Indiana. And the reason that we have the idea of these laws is to prevent gun violence. And this includes suicides, and this, it includes potential mass shootings, but the harm that we're looking for could be to others, but it could also be to yourself. And these laws really have become a huge focus of national attention more recently, obviously, with gun debate and gun rights. These kind of laws have become a really big focus. So what does the process actually look like? Well, the process is effectively a temporary deprivation of your rights to possess a firearm. And that's a key word. It should be a temporary deprivation. Now, the temporariness of it could be long-term, but it is supposed to be a temporary deprivation of your rights. So if you have any questions about what red flag laws are, you've never heard of them, maybe this is happening to you, a petition has been filed, give us a call at the Marc Lopez Law Firm. Our number is 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.